Hi, I'm Mimi Kelly. I'm the Financial Aid Director here at Eastern Oklahoma State College, and we are so happy to have you here as a new student. I want to tell you a little bit today about financial aid. One thing that most students immediately worry about with financial aid is, can I get my books? And you can charge your books using your financial aid proceeds as long as you have enough financial aid that's going to cover all your expenses. And you can go to the business office to get a voucher for the bookstore, or you can do that online. The thing that you might have a question about with financial aid is, have I done everything? And you certainly do need to make sure all your financial aid is in order. We can't give you any money. We can't award your funds if there's something missing on your account. So if you have not filled out a FAFSA, you still have time to do that. Go to studentaid.gov. If you've already done that, you may have been selected for verification, and so we've contacted you to tell you that you need to do some additional things. If you have questions about verification, definitely email someone in the financial aid office and we'll help you. Everyone qualifies for different types and different amounts of financial aid, and there's always a lot of questions about, why didn't I get what my friend got? And while we can't discuss anyone else's financial aid with you, I'll just tell you this, that financial aid is based on your family's income and your family's household size and the number in college. So every family is truly unique and different in what the student can qualify for. With financial aid, you do have some responsibilities as a student. You have to make satisfactory academic progress each semester, which basically means you need to make a minimum of a 2.0 GPA each semester. And you need to complete at least 2/3 of every class you enroll in. So if you do get behind in a course or you're struggling with a course, you may want to find out not only how it will affect you academically, but how it will affect your financial aid should you decide to withdraw from that course, or if you fear you're in danger of failing. Now, financial aid is processed after the drop and add period each semester. So you've got those first couple of weeks that you can change courses if you need to make something better fit your schedule or better fit what you want to do. Then we have to make sure all the charges are loaded on the student's account. So once everything is set in place and ready to go, we'll begin to process the financial aid. It may be the 4th week of school before you begin to see these things happening. It may even be a little later. And if we're waiting on information from you, we can't process anything until we have that information. Something else that's going to happen is that if you have more financial aid awards than your school expenses here at Eastern, you can get a refund on various types of financial aid. Our financial aid office is located here in the enrollment center. Please feel free, come ask questions, get everything submitted as quickly as you can so we can get some financial aid awards to you. But we do want you to understand everything, and we want you to feel comfortable. Thank you so much for choosing Eastern. We are happy you're here, and we're happy to help.